Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at one logical problem. The question is given 5 3 by a into 3 1 by 2 is equal to 19. Then find a plus b value. So here some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. Very small problem only. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you for thank you. So here how to solve this problem. So here the concept is very simple concept. So here first of all what you have to do. So here mixed fraction. It is in mixed fraction. You have to write improper fraction 5 plus 3 by a into b plus 1 by 2 is equal to 19. So here we are writing in the two parts. So here 5a plus 3 by a is into 2b total by a 2b plus 1 by 2 is equal to 19. Taking LCM. So here 5a plus 3 into 2b plus 1 is equal to 19 into 2a. Now here two cases will arise. So two cases will arise. Case 1, or you can write it as 38a. 19 to 38. So first case 1. So 2b plus 1, I am taking 19. That implies 2b is equal to 19 minus 1. We are getting 18. B is equal to 18 by 2. We are getting 9 now. Okay. Now if 2b plus 1 is 19, 5a plus 3 will be 2a. That implies 3a is equal to, 3a plus 3. 5a minus 2a, 3a plus 3 equal to 0. 3a equal to minus 3. A equal to minus 1. But here you cannot take a value minus 1. Why? Because here the product is positive. B value is positive, A value negative. The product will get negative. So here you cannot take case 1 now. Now I am taking case 2. Case 2 what I am taking 5a plus 3. 5a plus 3 is equal to 38 I am taking. 5a plus 3 equal to 38. 5a is equal to 38 minus 3. 5a is equal to 35. That implies a is equal to 35 by 5. We are getting 7 now. A value 7. Now the second one 2b plus 1, the factor what is left is a. So 2b plus 1 is equal to 7. 2b is equal to 7 minus 1. 2b is equal to 6. That implies b is equal to 6 by 2. We are getting 3. Now what is required? A plus b value. So a value 7, b value 3 so a plus b value is 10 So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.